Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center. Let's talk about flat foot and how to get rid of it, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Let's talk about flat foot and why that's so important to get rid of. For one, you don't have to be living with flat feet if you start doing the right exercises. My most favorite kind has to do with this muscle right here on the side of your leg, because that muscle is the one that actually goes, can you get this close? This muscle actually goes down and it goes right under the foot and it picks it up, picks the arch up. So if it's weak, it's not going to do a good job, and it's very easy to have flat feet. Some flat feet are actually not correctable, but don't think, well, mine is not correctable, so I'm not going to do anything about it. You got to do something about it, even if it's not correctable. Why? Because a muscle that is weak can keep getting weaker and weaker. So keep that in mind. So my favorite exercise has to do with this, where you put one of these bands, you can get it off Amazon, you put it around one ankle and then the other one goes across the top. So one goes around the ankle and the other one goes across the top of the other foot, and you're gonna stand at a nice distance where your tendency, let's say, let's get this going. It doesn't help that I have flat feet. I have black socks. Can you see the arch here? Kind of? Not really? Okay, so here's my arch, and I want to, let's say if it's collapsed like that, I want to activate this muscle so it picks it up like that. So with that said, I'm going to stand at a distance, and I'm not going to be moving my knees around, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate this muscle to, let's say I'm overdoing the arch just to kind of imitate the flat feet or flat foot on this side. I'm going to activate that muscle so it's going to lift the arch up, and I'm going to hold it to the count of 20 and then release. And then you're going to do it again. You're going to activate that muscle over here and release. Very, very simple exercise to do. Very, very helpful to do it. I recommend this along with the towel exercise, where you throw a towel on the floor, and obviously it has to be tile or wood floor. You throw the towel on the floor and then you use your toes to gather it up. You pick it up with your foot, with your toes, and then you throw it again. So I like the towel exercise, I like the band exercise, and definitely something that you want to do for flat feet, for essentially major ankle and foot issues, because they activate the muscles that impact the integrity of your feet and your ankles. Hope this helped. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so now. Follow me on my Facebook page, where I interview experts in different fields of health that will benefit your knowledge on the subject matter. And remember, you are the designer and the director of your own life. Don't point fingers at other things and your bad genes or whatever the case may be, because you are in charge, and that's all that matters. Thanks for watching.